Hello, I'm Doug Apple with Apples of Gold. Staring out at an autumn moon, just 32 years old, but a frost has taken hold, so she closes out the cold. Who's to blame for the season's change? Where's God in the winter wind? Despair is a deadly friend, so she stays in bed again. And all the while the world just smiles and says, but she cannot hear. It's weird. The mirror reflects her tears and fear. The memory's too near. How come? Why her son? The blizzard buries the girl. Sadness comes and sadness goes, but grief he comes to stay. He pushes friends away. Her hair is turning gray. What can we do for the grieving few? One day she laughs and then she cries. There's guilt for feeling joy. She holds a little toy. Must not forget her boy. But springtime comes as it always does. Walking out in a summer sun, it's bright and warm and fine. She made the uphill climb. Her eyes begin to shine. Jesus does as he always does, and her eyes begin to shine.